How you doing? Duron Dimmock, Generational Wealth Partners. More free game. In the renovation, we're going to give you more free game. If you look at all the videos, go to YouTube right now, check out all the videos, you'll see that we're just giving free game on renovations and how we're able to renovate properties with our clients being out of state, even out of the country. Okay? This particular client, she came in Saturday, she liked what she saw, she flew back out, now we're back at it. Okay? One of the things that we added, got the beam in. We got the beam in, okay? So the original floor plan had the kitchen behind the fireplace, okay? All right, now we got the kitchen moved over to this extension over here where we're gonna actually have door going out to the driveway. We're gonna have your refrigerator, your sink, dishwasher, cabinets. It's gonna be open. Notice the flooring here. I gotta bring this floor up so it's even with this floor, okay? And we're gonna run that countertop right about out here, about 3 feet out this way, so that we have like a nice sized kitchen coming out. Also, right here, guess what? I think I want to do an island. Now the beam, the cool part is, sometimes I'm able to put the beam up and have it unexposed. This beam has to be exposed because this is the end of the house, okay? This is the end of the house. So instead of us being able, the house had an extension on it, so we had to bring it together. And right there where it comes together, the beam can only be on one side or the other. We couldn't jack the house up, okay? Because we wanted to keep the original structure, all right? So with that being said, we're gonna put that island right here. We're gonna flow right over this way. You see we've already framed it out. We're gonna walk in here. There's gonna be the laundry room. We're gonna have a small window here, master bedroom. And guys, take a look right here. Take a look here. New flooring. This is what's gotta happen. You gotta have the new flooring put in. You gotta make sure those floors are even. I know a lot of people walk into houses in Atlanta and the floors are uneven. You gotta spend that money. Start with the floors. Start with the foundation. Get the foundation right, get your framing right, then you can start building all the lovely, pretty finishes that you wanna build out. But the first thing you gotta do is, you gotta get that flooring right and make that floor smooth. Duron Dimmock, Generational Wealth Partners, I look forward to working with you guys.